Okay, so here's verse 10, and it says, "For you once were not a people, but now you are the people of God. You had not received mercy, but now you have received mercy." If you notice, there are some spots in there that are in capital letters. We talked about that in class and what that means. So here's where I ask you, okay, class, what does that mean when there's capital letters in these verses in First Peter? And you would answer, you'd say, well, Miss Stephanie, that's because that's right, it's somewhere else in the Old Testament or in the Bible. So I actually pulled out my study Bible this morning. I'll show it to you here. Here we go. And I want to show you actually these notes since we're looking at it. That's Amos in the background. So here it says, if you look at the notes where it says 2:10, it says, see notes on Hosea 1:6-9 and 2:1-22. So we know, and then also Romans 9:25 and 26. So those capital letters, that means it's found in Hosea, and it's also found in Romans. So in Hosea, it says it's Israel who is not God's people. So he's referring to Israel in Hosea. And then in Romans, it's talking about the Gentiles, where they're considered not God's people. Okay, so, but what I want to show you here is basically, if you are a stone, which we've been talking about, if you have accepted Jesus in your heart and he's your Savior, then before you were a stone, you were not a people. You were not one people group. But now that you are a stone and you're saved, you are the people of God. You're one big people group. You're united. You're together. You're one. Okay, and before Jesus, you had not received mercy, but now because of Jesus, because of his salvation, you have received mercy. Okay, so that's what this verse is talking about.